Hi everyone, Deb here. This is my second time recording this and I'm already a day late. This is for the hashtag Be Creative Summer Fun collaboration that should be up on the 13th, but you're getting it on the 14th, hopefully. And this is hosted by Terry Jeanette over at the Tapping Flamingo, aka Bohemian Hippie. And so the object is to do something that has to do with summer fun. So I have had these flip-flop links, there are 2 loops on each, from Joanne's Hildy and, I forget the other name, Hildy and Joe, I think it is, since 2017. I've been meaning to use them every year, and they have on them 4 of, one strand was the 4 with the like teal with pink on the flip-flops, and the other one was the pink with white. You can't see them, the polka dots on them. So I just found some crystals from Michael's that I've had for years. These were left over from doing First Communion necklaces for my granddaughters when they were younger. And these sort of milky, shiny teal, I love these beads. Anyway, they were left over from years ago, bargain bead box. And then these little white ones are shell, actual shell rounds, 3mm I think. And I did use some little silver 3mm beads, and the jump ring to hook it onto here is from this. And then I just used for each of these a split ring, which I don't like using, but they're okay for purse charms. So I thought these would be nice for purse charms, planner charms, zipper pull perhaps, as long as you pull from this and not, you know, down here kind of thing. This one is wire wrapped directly onto the link, so this one's going to be pretty sturdy. Now these are one-sided and they will twist around, so because this is a swivel clasp. I got a whole box of these in different colors from BB Craft a couple years ago, 2 years ago, and so I used the bright silver ones on both. And these are just little tiny drops I put on tiny little jump rings, and they're just a regular loop, and they're hooked on to the jump ring, like I said, that came with the link. And then same thing, used a split ring. And then I had pulled out these oval shell beads. They're from Jewel School, JTV, years ago, and these shell were left over from a bargain bead box years ago too. And then again, the 3mm little rounds. Now these are very organic. They're not going to be identical because they are shell and they're natural ovals. I had trouble finding 2 that were similar. So you can see that one has more color in it than this one does on either side. Well, if you put it that way, it's more white. But however, they're going to be organic, and I like that about them. And then I put them on lever backs with a shell because, you know, it's summer. And just the round silver, metal silver, and then these silver saucer beads from my stash. I think those were from Oriental Trading, and the little rounds are from Fire Mountain. Yeah, and that's about it. So, excuse me, that is my project, or my projects. These are not meant to be paired, but I did notice after I finished these that they kind of do look like they could be a pair. Earrings, right? The flip-flops kind of look like they go into each other. I have 2 more of each color. I might make a pair of earrings with each. I haven't decided yet. I might just save them and use them another time in the future. So we shall see. All right, hope you enjoyed my project, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. What do you like to do for summer fun? And what comes to your mind? All right, guys, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.